So this is October 2nd, and the fridge just started making this weird noise. It's less than a year old. If we open the door, it goes away. And then it will start up again in a few minutes or seconds in most cases. Eventually.